In this video, we will demonstrate how to create report subscriptions in Cert Metrics. To begin, navigate to the Cert Metrics login page on the web and type in your login ID and password, then press the login button. Upon login, all users are taken to the home landing page. Customizable action item links are shown as well as additional links to other areas within Cert Metrics. In this video, we will work within the Reports area of Cert Metrics. Click the Reports link on the navigation bar to enter the Reports area. The Reports area of Cert Metrics showcases both dashboard reports, which are located on the top portion of the page, as well as a link to the reporting website, which is located on the bottom left of the page. Clicking on the reporting website opens a new web browser window within which users can access additional reports not listed in the dashboard and create subscriptions. After opening the reporting website, there is a top-level folder featuring the client name, in this case, Demo. Clicking on this folder drills down into the reporting website further, within which the three types of Cert Metrics reports, Psychometric, Security, and Standard, can be found. For the purposes of this how-to video, we will use a standard report, but subscriptions can be created for any type of report. Within the Standard folder, there are additional subfolders with a variety of standard report types. In this example, we will use a report within the Exams subfolder. However, subscriptions can be made for any report in any subfolder. To create a subscription, locate the appropriate report within the reporting website. We use Exams delivered by geography region for this video. And click on the down arrow to the right of the report. Locate the Subscribe option and click. This will bring up the subscription page. The subscription page contains the parameters one would find by clicking directly on the report itself in the reporting website and creating an on-demand report. However, it also offers options for report delivery and scheduling. With regard to report delivery, there are two options, email and download report. In this video, we focus on the email option. On the first line, under email, users can enter any individuals the report should be sent to, separating individual email addresses with semicolons. The subject line will be pre-populated by default with the report name and time executed upon delivery, unless a user chooses to change the subject line to whatever subject is so desired. The Include Report box is by default always checked and means that the report will be attached to the email. It is important to ensure this box is checked. To the right of this box is the Render Format field, which provides several options for rendering the report and the type of file delivered in the email. Options include XLSX, CSV, XLS, PDF, and MHTML. There is also an option to set the email priority level to either normal, low, or high for any report recipients. After completing all delivery option fields, users can select processing options starting with the report schedule. To do so, simply click on the Select Schedule button, which will take users to a new screen to input schedule details. There are a variety of time frames available for scheduling, including hour, day, week, month, and once. Please note that all scheduled deliveries will run on Mountain Time, which is important to remember when inputting the desired time for a subscription to run. For this video, we will use the month option, as it is a common subscription schedule. To start, select the appropriate months a report is desired. One can uncheck certain months to create a quarterly report or bi-monthly report. Options for delivery within the month include a specific week of the month and a day of that week at a specific time. Or one can click the radial button for On Calendar Days and pick a specific day of the month for report delivery. The report generation time is entered at the bottom in Mountain Time. There is also an option for the start and end delivery dates. By default, the report will be set to run on the present day. This can be updated, or an end date can be entered checking the Stop This Schedule On button and clicking the Calendar button. Hit OK once all scheduled details have been entered. Back on the subscription page, review the report parameter values and adjust as appropriate. The first field, the Report User ID, simply lists the user that is creating the subscription. To adjust, unclick the Use Default button and select from available drop-down options. The next parameter, Exam Domain, can also be adjusted by unclicking Use Default and selecting the available options. Once an option is selected, it is important to remember to click outside the drop-down area and allow the below fields to update based on any selections made. Proceed with adjusting the rest of the report parameters as desired by unchecking the Use Default box to select the appropriate parameters. The report parameter values give the option to select all for certain parameters, or by unchecking Select All, removing all selections for certain parameters, which can be useful when making desired selections. After selecting appropriate values again, remember to click outside the drop-down area to allow below fields to update based on selections. In this particular report example, users can adjust the exam language, form, grade, provider, test center, exam type, and exam state by unselecting Use Default and adjusting from the options available in the drop-down as desired. Users can also select whether or not data returned is organized by fiscal year. To use the fiscal year, select True. To use the calendar year, leave as False. To select the date range for exam data returned, pick Specify Date Range and adjust the exam start and end dates in the fields underneath, or use the drop-down and select the available choices. Subscriptions are often based on a previous month's data, so we will choose Previous Month in this example. Dates below Exam Date Range only need to be adjusted if selecting Specified Date Range. If any other option is selected, a user can ignore these dates, as the drop-down overrides any dates displayed in Exam Start and End Date fields. Users can also select any specified region, country, state, company, partner, division, or candidate status desired using the same method of unchecking the Use Default box and selecting from the drop-down menu choices. Once all parameters are inputted, click OK and the subscription will be created. The reporting website will take a user back to the original report folder from which the subscription creation process began. To check on created subscriptions, visit the My Subscriptions link in the top right-hand corner. In the My Subscriptions area, one can view, edit, or delete any previously created subscriptions. To edit a subscription, click the Edit link to the left of the report name. The report delivery options, subscription processing options, and report parameter values can be edited by making any necessary changes on the page and clicking the OK button. To leave the editing area without making any changes, simply click Cancel. To delete a subscription, check the box next to the desired subscription, then click the Delete link in the menu bar. To leave the My Subscription area, click the Home link in the top left-hand corner. To return to Cert metrics as the reporting website opens in a separate browser, toggle to the appropriate browser tab.